The Toy Repairman, Tales from Victor's Workshop. In a quaint little town, far away from the city's hustle and bustle, lived a man named Victor. Victor wasn't just any man, he was a toy repairman. His workshop was a magical place filled with dolls, toy cars, teddy bears, and all sorts of broken toys waiting to be fixed. Victor believed that each toy had its own story to tell, and with every repair, he touched the life of a child. Next door to Victor's workshop was a small bakery run by a kind woman named Jennifer. She often sent fresh cookies to Victor and visited his shop to listen to the incredible tales that each toy had to share. One day, a little girl named Emily walked into the shop, clutching a broken toy unicorn. Victor took the unicorn gently and assured Emily that it would be good as new. As he began to fix the unicorn, he could sense the toy's story. The unicorn had been a gift from Emily's grandmother, who had passed away recently. It was not just a toy, it represented love, memory, and connection. As Victor mended the unicorn, he felt he was not only fixing a toy but also helping mend a little girl's heart. When Emily came back to collect her unicorn, she couldn't believe her eyes. It looked brand new. But what was more touching was a tiny, embroidered heart that Victor had added. Emily understood its significance instantly. From that day on, she found a sense of comfort and felt her grandmother's presence whenever she held the unicorn. Another intriguing toy that entered Victor's workshop was a worn-out robot that belonged to a boy named Tim. Tim was fascinated by science and technology but struggled with social skills. The robot was his only friend, teaching him about mechanics and also the value of companionship. Victor fixed the robot with great care, knowing that this toy was a vital part of Tim's world. As he handed the repaired robot back to Tim, he included a little booklet about famous scientists who also had challenges with social interactions but had made groundbreaking discoveries. This inspired Tim to believe that his unique traits could also be his greatest strengths. Life continued to bring unique toys and stories into Victor's workshop. Each toy taught Victor, Jennifer, and the children a valuable lesson, whether it was about friendship, love, courage, or dreams. One fateful day, Victor found a mysterious, dusty box hidden in the corner of his workshop. Inside was a toy that he had never managed to fix, a tiny wooden soldier missing its legs. Jennifer saw him pondering and asked if it held a story too. Victor sighed and began to share his own tale. The wooden soldier had been his childhood toy, a gift from his father, who had taught him the skill of repairing toys. His father had always encouraged him to mend the soldier, but young Victor never did, taking for granted that his father would always be there to guide him. After his father passed away, Victor could never bring himself to fix the soldier. But now, touched by the lessons he had learned from all the other toys and inspired by his friendship with Jennifer, he finally mended the wooden soldier, giving it new legs to stand on. Victor placed the repaired soldier on a special shelf, realizing that the journey of healing and learning never really ends. The soldier had taught him the importance of cherishing time and mending broken bonds when you have the chance. So, Victor's workshop remained a magical place, where every toy got a second chance and every repair touched a life. The stories that emanated from that small room were proof that with love, care, and a little imagination, anything is possible. And so, Victor and Jennifer continued to listen to each toy's story, ever amazed at the endless lessons and the incredible power of a simple act of kindness. They knew that each toy did more than just amuse, it taught, it inspired, and most importantly, it touched hearts. The end. The story is over. Thanks for watching.